That hurt?
Why?
I don't know.
I couldn't find your channel. What was your channel's name?
Test Ninja 27.
Test Ninja, right?
Yeah.
Why are you getting up in his face? Why are you getting up in my face?
Because I feel like it's broken line.
We're outside.
Beef Nation.
Just jump sit. That was straight up. Johnny said it.
What?
You're it.
No.
Wow, we're gonna lose sit down.
I need to hear it.
We're gonna lose sit down, guys.
Stop getting.
I zoomed it in.
Dab. I don't even know how to dab, man. Dabbing is so hard. It should be a test for dabbing.
Yo, you gotta put a clickbait, you know? What the heck? You saw him ready, just like.
ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಥವಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ
ಕಾಲಾಗೆ ಜೀವ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬರೆಯುವುದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಲ್ಲ, ತಿಳಿಯೋದು ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸುವುದು ಮುಖ್ಯ.
Drop the mic, bro.
No, please don't, guys. Put the mic away, guys.
Oh, stupid meanie.
Anish, take responsibility.
Yeah, Anisha.
I thought you were.
He drops it again.
Like Anisha. Seems so fun before. Yeah. Stop.
Stop.
Anna, he's putting your hair. Tired now.
World star.
Stop. You know, I want to be censored. If you don't censor me, I'm suing you. I'm recording your video. I will record.
You like this song? You like this?
Let's see what's under there.
Oh shoot! I found a bunch of gold.
You look retarded or something?
You look
You know,
retarded.
he actually looks so.
Wipe it off. No makeup tomorrow.
Dude, if you wore a cap, if you wore a cap, his head would be.
If you do that one more time, I actually break the camera.
Dude, shut up.
What's your problem?
Yeah, what's your problem?
filming me?
You're on TV, dude. Sitting like a Vishnu on top of a table. See his red carpet table right here?
Ow! My foot!
His family.
Oh, yes, for that, yeah.
Dude, I'm gonna subscribe to him. What's your
I
channel?
couldn't.
I only have one channel, guys.
find his channel.
What's your channel?
There's no spaces, just full straight.
I know. I tried that.
Masti the king. What is it?
Musty the gangster.
What the heck? No, it's not.
He told us to be 27.
Musty, shut up. Shut it, Musty.
There's those jeans, and literally, so they look like.
Oh my goodness, I don't know how
I'm
that's so
like, what do you wear? Like literally.
Get out of here! What is your problem? I'm gonna tell my mother.
me?
Peace out. Pizza.
Are you even recording, dude?
Yeah.
Putting on a YouTube channel for
Hi,
subscribers.
Dory.
Edit all of it and then post up a video for like 2 seconds and then.
Ready?
Yo!
Look at my new pizza.
Yo, Monty. Jay. You gotta film that for 10 minutes. Put your first ad in your video.
Pizza. Anna.
Oh, you wanna see this?
Anna. Kind of person saying pizza. Pizza.
No, pizza. Pizza.
Yeah, pizza. Pizza.
You guys stink at wearing bracelets. This is how you wear it. You guys? Well, I cut it off.
You're supposed to fold it.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I
You
did.
put it inside. You tucked it in.
Exactly. Stop whining.
You cut it, but then you got.
No, my $80